the 1,166,169 maturity value includes bonus kung di mo nagamit ang inpatient benefits mo during the paying period, kasama yung bonus na 350,000. Option number 1 mo, i-convert sa cash yung 1,166,169. Option number 2, di mo withdrawin, retain mo lang yung 1,166,169. Kung ni-retain mo balance, tuloy-tuloy pa rin health benefits mo kahit beyond 60 years old ka na. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin nakikita ang balance ng fund mo ng 10% per year. Kaya sa sample natin, at the age of 60, may fund balance na siya na 6,483,800 at ang 10% nun ay 648,380. At the age of 65, balance ng fund niya is 10,442,224. Ang 10% nun ay 1,044,222.40. Yan ang tinatawag na living on interest. Money working for you. Kasi interest pa lang ng fund mo, pwede nang sumagot ng health expenses mo. Third option, pwede naman yung kalahati ng 1,166,169 withdraw mo. Kalahati retain mo para may health fund ka pa rin kahit beyond 60 years old ka na. Kaiser is one of our recommended products kasi masosolve nito initially ang foundation mo. Sa Kaiser, may investment part and starting on the 8th year, may fund ka na kumikita ng 10% or more. In case of emergency, may family assistance na pwede mong pa-approve sa Kaiser kung may card ka. For 20 years, may life insurance ka. Of course, may health card ka na magagamit for 20 years and even beyond 60 years old ka na. Like building a house, you must build it from the ground